Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom domain to your blogger.com. And of course, first of all, you want to buy a domain, or if you already have it, that's great. You just go ahead and to your domain provider and you copy your domain name. Now you're going to go back to Blogger and you're going to click settings. Right here in settings, you're gonna scroll down and you will see that your blog address for now is blogspot.com. Now you want to add a custom domain and you will add it right here. So you want to also write www because otherwise it won't work. Now for me, there's no error message. Sometimes it gives you an error message and you need to change your DNS settings on your domain provider. Like for example, for me, it's Namecheap. So I didn't have this issue, but basically I will show you how to do this by setting up custom domain. And now, as you can see, you can get an error with 2 CNAMEs. So what you actually need to do is go ahead to your provider and enter the CNAME records. So you're gonna go here and advanced DNS settings somewhere on your provider and add a new rec and enter this one. Now you're gonna save the changes. You're gonna go back and you add a new one, and basically you will get some numbers or letters from your blogger right here. This is different for every person, but basically that's how you add your DNS settings, and it will add to your blogger.